Although oil prices decreased yesterday, they still managed to hit new multi-year highs. As for the situation in the global foreign exchange market, despite yesterday's downbeat data on industrial production in the United States, the US dollar remained almost unchanged against major currencies. Watch this video to find out what is the outlook for oil, ruble and gold. Yesterday, oil prices settled at a three-year high above $85 a barrel. However, the quotes dropped slightly to $84.70 per barrel immediately after due to a technical correction upon reaching the resistance level as expected. Today, Brent crude oil is gaining in value again. This means that the benchmark may well hit another local high soon. Analysts predict that Brent crude is likely to advance to $86–87 per barrel in the near future. Meanwhile, the ruble continues to strengthen, thus the dollar-ruble pair dropped to 70.90, and yet the main reason for such a decline is the weaker US dollar. The greenback is suffering losses due to Europe's energy crisis and soaring gas and oil prices, but this is a temporary increase. Therefore, the pair will most likely continue trading in a range between the levels of 70.70 and 71.40. These values are also acceptable for the Russian economy, as argued by economists. The value of gold as a safe haven asset is gradually increasing following the news that US industrial output has dipped unexpectedly. Gold prices are currently trading at $1,779. However, analysts predict a possible decline. After all, this can be attributed to higher Bitcoin prices and a stronger US dollar, coupled with a rise in the yield on 10-year Treasury bonds. According to experts, gold prices may fall to $1,760–1,730 per ounce in the coming days. Well, the situation seems relatively stable. However, this does not mean that oil prices will start to decline again and the ruble will lose support. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.